Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. And if you ever felt called or that push or that nudge to write a book, but time, life, and overwhelmed has kept you stuck, well, honey, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how to write your MiniHER book in a weekend. Yes, just one weekend. And no, this isn't about rushing or throwing something together. This is about clarity. It's about peace, purpose driven focus. So, we're going to talk about how to move your message from your heart and your mind to the page faster, simple, and spirit led. Now, let's first start with why this is possible. Okay, a MiniHER book isn't 200 pages of stress. It's a purposeful 5-chapter message designed to be clear, helpful, and powerfully aligned with your audience. Now, these books are short, okay, but they are not shallow. They are a mix of transformation and simplicity. Many of her books let you package your story, your wisdom, your framework into a product that blesses other people and, of course, brings you an income, honey. Okay, because yeah, we gonna make that money, honey. Okay, you don't need to be a full-time author. I mean, if you want to, you can. Okay, you just need a weekend and a plan, and I'm here to go ahead and break down this plan with you. Okay, let's first start with Friday night. Okay, get off work. This is the night that you're going to get clear. You're going to set the mood. You're going to light a candle. You're going to say a prayer. And you're going to open your heart. Okay, because your goal for this night is not to write at all. Okay, but to align yourself. So, what do you want to say? Who is your book for? Like, why are you writing this book? But I want you to help. I want to actually help you to get this done faster. Inside my MiniHER book starter kit, I have a book builder. So a MiniHER book builder is an AI tool that I created just for MiniHER books. It's going to help you to write your outline, help you to write your book faster. So go and grab that. The link is in my description so that you can get this done faster. Okay. So now today's Saturday, right? You're going to actually write. So you're going to write this out. This is going to be your flow day. Okay. I highly recommend a 3-hour writing sprint in the morning and then another one in the afternoon. Okay. Write from your outline. You get the MiniHER book builder, it will do it for you. Okay. But you want to write from the outline chapter by chapter because you're not aiming for perfection. You're aiming for completion. I want you to silence your inner critic, okay? Because your book is about obedience, okay, to other people, to who it's for, and not perfection. Now, on Sunday, after you get from church or even before church, you're going to polish and prep, okay? This is where you're going to reread your book. You're going to fix it, make sure that it flows, make sure that each chapter connects. Then you're going to save it. You're going to download it as a doc file, okay? And you're going to send it over to a formatter, okay? Someone that can format your book professionally. Now, there are some tools out there that will format that you can use. You can sit down and format the book, but it's going to take you a lot longer, especially if you're new to this. Send it off, okay? Now, if you get my MiniHER book starter kit, I will refer you to a great formatter that I found right on Fiverr that is very, very affordable, and they also do chef's kiss great work so that your book comes out professional. So you know how we do. We're going to get somebody else to do it. And there you have it. Okay. You wrote a book in a weekend. And I'm so proud of you. Okay. But let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Okay. We are done waiting for the perfect time. Okay. We are done holding on to all these stories that were meant to set other people free. This book that you're writing isn't about being a bestseller author overnight. This is about obedience. It's about alignment. It's about overflow. Okay. MiniHER books, they are more than just books. They are soft life assets. They work quietly in the background, bringing in income and create an impact long after you hit publish and even long after you leave this life. Okay. This is a legacy tool. You can get or you can have peace. You can have profit. You can have that clarity and confidence, and you can have purpose and prosperity as well. So I hope this video helped you. Okay. Give you the kick in the butt that you need. All right. And once you have your MiniHER book written, you can get someone to review it, get you a proofreader, get your book cover done, grab your ISBN number from Bonkers, or you can grab a free one from Amazon KDP, however you choose. Okay. But it's time to stop making excuses. I just gave you the play-by-play. I even link below to my MiniHER book starter kit that has everything that you need, even down to the book cover templates that are pre-made, already created. All you have to do is add your name to them and, make your changes that you would like. It's there. So the blueprint is there. You just got to go get it. Okay. So grab the starter kit below. So now that you know the steps, okay, you got the mindset and the magic behind writing in the weekend, but maybe, okay, you are still wondering what's next. What's next, Sharlrita? That's why I host a peaceful, a pressure-free live info call where I help you to choose your next best step. And there are two clear paths that you can leverage to make money online. And one, you can build a done for you digital product business through Digital Profits You, or two, you can step into authorship with Profitable Publishers Collective. Okay. Both are peaceful. I leverage both, and both are very profitable. You don't have to guess. You just have to show up. Okay. I also put that link in the description so you can join the next live call and you can come in, we can meet, and you can ask your questions as well. I look forward to help you to build your soft life business, and we do this together, and I would love to be your guide. So listen, I hope to see you in the next live call. If not, go ahead and like the video, go ahead and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. I have a couple more videos that you can watch as well to get to know me. But until then, I really want to see you in the next live info call. All right. I'll see you then. Bye.